Halifax app not working. Here is the quick guide to fix this problem. First, long press on Halifax app, tap app info, tap clear storage, clear cache, also clear data. If you have a Halifax account, you will log out from here, so you will have to log in again. After that, close this app and go to Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS. Search for Halifax and update the app. If this still not working, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app, and after that restart your phone. Your problem will be fixed.